Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and today we'll be looking at the glossary. Alright, so number one, art are artistic related terms that are used in the journal. So any word that you use in a journal that you think should go in the glossary section, go ahead and do so. So number one, art or artistic related terms that are used in the journal. Number two, put it in alphabetical order. And number three, it should be numbered. Right, so for example, these are three expressive forms: drawing, painting, and graphics. Just for example, you're going to put these in alphabetical order and you're going to number them. So let's say for example you use the word in your journal. You can put that in the glossary and define it and ensure that it is in alphabetical order. So this is an example of how you should put it in order. So number one, crayon would be first and you give the definition, and number two, pencil crayon would be second and you give the definition. Alright guys, so thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.